What is going on, Mercado Nation? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Mark. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. You've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail. If you haven't already checked out the last video that I posted yesterday, go check it out because it's 2021 and we have a new savings challenge. It's called the 100 Envelope Challenge, where we bought 100 envelopes. We marked them from 1 to 100. And each week we're going to take 2 envelopes, we're going to pull it out, and we're going to fill the envelope with cash. We're going to fill the envelope with the number that's on the front of the envelope. So if I pick 2 envelopes that have 50 and 51, I have to fill the $50 envelope with $50, and I have to fill the $51 envelope with $51. Go check out that last video. You won't be disappointed. It's going to be a crazy challenge this year. 2021 is going to be phenomenal. We're going to save so much money. We're going to invest money. We're going to grow our money. We're just going to have a great time this year. I'm wishing you all, the best of luck this year and success and blessings. Without further ado, let's dive straight in it. I have my 2 envelopes here, guys. Like I said yesterday, I drew 2 envelopes, and the envelopes that I pulled out of my shoebox were 73 and 34. So I have to, today in this video, I have to start, because it is week 1 of this challenge, $73.34. So quickly, I'm going to show you guys my chart. If you are new and stopping by for the first time, it's the 100 envelope chart. Save $5,050. The start date is right here, January 18th, Monday, and the end date is right there, December 27th, 2021. So it is a 50-week challenge. Each week we're going to draw 2 envelopes, and whatever numbers you pull out is the amount you have to deposit. So like I said, I drew these 2 yesterday, so let's go ahead and fill them up. So right here we got 73, and right here we're going to count together 20, 40, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3. We have $73. I'm so excited. This is the first deposit of 2021. There it is, right there. We filled it to cash. We're gonna seal it so we cannot open it and pull the money out. We are gonna stay determined and we are gonna stay motivated. Number 73 is all done. Since we filled it with cash, we're gonna go to our chart. We're gonna look for number 73. You see it down there, 73. Now we're gonna take our Sharpie and we're gonna cross off number 73 because we just filled it with $73. So let me cross that off for you. Let's highlight it. And there you have it, guys. Number 73, envelope 73 is now filled with $73, but we still have one more. We also pulled number 34 yesterday. So right here, what do I have? 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So here is $34. We're gonna fill envelope number 34 with cash. This is so amazing. I love it. We're gonna fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. There it is. Lick. Fill it, fill it, fill it. So guys, that is it. We filled 73. We filled 34. It was a total of $107 deposit. I know, pretty heavy for the first week, but honestly, let's stay motivated. So that is that. We did 73. Now we're gonna cross off 34. Let's find number 34 here. We're gonna highlight it. And this is how I'm doing it, guys. You see those 100 envelopes? By the end of the year, December 27th, 2021, this entire chart should be highlighted and we should have $5,050. So we are not done. We have to draw 2 more envelopes, guys. Here's the shoebox. Here are all the envelopes. There you have them. So we're gonna stick our hand in there and we're gonna draw 2 envelopes for next Monday. So let's do it, guys. Here we go. We're gonna look up. We're gonna stick our hand in there. We're gonna draw 1 envelope. Here's the first one, face it down. And here comes the second, guys. Let's see what our 2 envelopes are. So there you have it, guys. Here's my shoebox with all my envelopes and the 2 envelopes that we will be doing our... Wow. Woo, this is heavy, guys. This is going to be another heavy week. So we got number 96 and we got number 58. That's going to be those two for next Monday. I'm going to hang them up on my bulletin board upstairs where the calendar is. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next Monday for week 2 100 envelope challenge update. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, Mercado Nation.